We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell me when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Shiba Inu, Shib token, and after having a monster rally from the 10th up to the 13th, things have started to pull back and almost eating away all the gains. Not completely, but coming right back down to these levels. We have some key levels to look at. We're going to look at some articles and news that came out today. But before we jump into it, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you trade stocks apart from crypto, you may want to check out the link down below. If you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Shiba Inu, Shib token, and everything going on within the charts. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%. But one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was NURO, and this was beyond expectations, beyond 20% plus on the day, guys. We caught this one as it was consolidating and pulling back in the pre-market, and then it started to reverse with strength, got that bull indicator in the pre-market, continued with strength towards the bell, and took off to a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. Here we are with Shiba Inu, and you can see clearly that it has the white with red borders, and there tends to be small reversals and others that are stronger than others, right? This is 42 vision here. That's how we're looking at the charts right now. It goes from white with red borders to red with green borders to dark green and green. But on top of that, we also have ultimate 42 vision that's been released. That is the bull and bear indicators to give us more insight on the bigger picture. As you could see, the last bear indicator came up here at 4 zeros and a 3.8, and a bull indicator did not pop up until 4 zeros and a 2.8 until this high here of 4 zeros and a 3.2. And right now we are under a bear indicator and extreme weakness on 42 vision. You can now gain access to this as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the market. So we are in a very exciting point here based off the 4-hour 442 vision, because every single time the white with red borders pop up, there tends to be a reversal. Some turn out to be stronger, some turn out to be weaker. Whatever it is, there tends to be a move. So this is definitely something to watch very carefully to see if it's coming in with enough strength. But always remember, it is currently under a bear indicator, right? But the last time this happened, well, it came with strength, and a bull indicator popped up right after. A quick transition here from white with red borders to red with green borders, dark green, bull indicator, and full strength, going from 4 zeros and a 2.8 to highs here of 4 zeros and a 3.9. Nearly doubling almost, right? And then that bear indicator popped up, and it lasted several days and weeks until the recent run we just got. But bigger picture, everything's going downwards, right? We've been looking at it from the bigger picture, and if I pull up the 1 day, you could see it. This has been under a bear indicator since 4 zeros and a 5.1, and the transition and shift started way up here at 4 zeros and a 6.8 after hitting highs here of 4 zeros and an 8.8. This is going to be very important to have clarity moving forward as this continues in this bearish pattern, and I'm going to be watching for that bull indicator to pop up to negate this bear indicator, because the last time a bull indicator popped up, it was way down here, and look at the move. So once that does pop up, I'm going to be looking for it to come with strength. I'm going to be looking for those green bars, and it negates this bear indicator, and possibly a reversal would start to form. Okay, one of the biggest catalysts that can create a possible strengthening in these charts is the fact that Robinhood list Shiba Inu on their platform. I think they are looking into possibly trying to catch this as close as possible in the low 4 zeros, whether it's 4 zeros and a 1, 4 zeros and a 2. And worst case scenario, what they want is for it to break through the recent lows of 4 zeros and a 2.5, go all the way down to 4 zeros and a 1, and then try to wait for it to go all the way down into 5 zeros range. Because once a broker, right, or a platform decides to release a token, they have to buy a large amount of it, and they're going to want to get it as low as possible to go ahead and have it circulating in their system and sell it back to the holders for a higher price. That's what I'm assuming, I guess. But here you have it, and you have here Shiba Inu price breaks for the DMA confluence, okay? Significant to hold 4 zeros and a 2.8, guys. This is super important, and it's fighting, right? It hit lows here of 4 zeros and a 2.7. It's fighting in that area, and if I put the 30-minute, you can actually see that things are still kind of under a bearish indicator, since up here at 4 zeros and a 2.870, and right now we're at 4 zeros and a 2.807. This is hanging by a thread, okay? It's trying to consolidate here. We'll have to see if it can hold up, but if it continues to go lower, this could go into further weakness pretty quickly, because it even states here that it could decline by 10% or more. And it says here the Robinhood CEO seeks more clarification before listing Shiba Inu and other altcoins. I think that's just an excuse. He's waiting for these prices to go down, just like what Kraken did. Kraken actually waited until the price went down, or they themselves instigated the price to go down by hyping it up that it was going to get listed, waited several weeks, made it go lower, disappointed the community, and then all of a sudden came back to be the hero. So something to be aware of. Now, Shiba Inu now held over 1.145 million users, new all-time high, okay? Now, I have stated this before. We've been tracking this. I stated that I could see when we had about 500,000 to 800,000 users holding, obviously, Shiba Inu. This is months back, all the way back to last year in July and August, before the run and before the, big jump in the fall, towards the fall, that we could hit towards 1 million users holding, right? Now, there's 1.45 million users holding Shiba Inu, and I believe that's going to continue to grow to about 1.5 million, all the way upwards to 2 million plus throughout this year. That's a pretty bold statement, but I could see it happening if further adoption continues, and if the Robinhood listing, that obviously we have the CEO at least talking about it and clarifying that he's just trying to figure out more about Shiba Inu and other altcoins, putting it into a basket of eventually adding it, that's already one big step. So with those statements, whether it's false hope or just real hope, but we don't know yet when it's going to happen, this creates the whole statement of at least the Robinhood CEO is considering it and plans on it. Because if not, he would have already closed or disclosed the whole entire situation and said, hey, I don't think we're going to add Shiba Inu or any other altcoins. It's going to remain the same how we have it. Dogecoin will be the meme coin of Robinhood or something like that. Who knows, right? But I think they're just waiting for prices to go down. And if they could put more pressure themselves by not listing it and making investors or holders disappointed, then they will. And they'll do everything they can to bring down the price to get it at the best price, guys. That's just my thoughts. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on these statements. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.